extremely unexpected severe thunderstorm watch.
The conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 455 has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following county: Franklin, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, northwestern York County in south central Pennsylvania, central Juliana County in central Pennsylvania, northern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, eastern Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Ickesburg to near Carlisle Springs to near Placerville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hummelstown, Carlisle, Lower Allen, Steelton, Hershey, Enola, Mechanicsburg, Camp Hill, Colonial Park, and Middletown. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 211 to 258, Interstate 81 from mile markers 40 to 80, Interstate 83 from mile markers 26 to 50, Interstate 283 from mile markers 0 to 2. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties: Cumberland, Dauphin, Juliana, Perry, and York.